Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see some spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag X for May of 2021. I'm actually really excited about this one. I wasn't like so into the February one, not because I didn't get it, you guys. I was just like, oh, well, I'm not very impressed now that I've seen everything coming in there. Like, I'm okay with holding off on spending my $55, but this one I want, and this one I will be very butthurt if I don't get, which I've re-signed up for Ipsy since, you know, I'm in the PR, so you can't have both profiles, you can't choose, blah, blah, blah. So I re-signed up today, so hopefully I'll be able to get the X, because if I don't, I'll cry, because there's a product in here that that's the only product I want, and everything else is kind of a bonus, but whatever. Anyways, let's get to the spoilers. So if you're into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I do want to mention, I apologize, just like every other YouTuber at the beginning of videos, about my voice. I lost my voice yesterday. I've had really bad allergies. I sound really terrible, and I cough a lot. So we're going to edit those out, but I sound really bad. So I'm going to apologize in advance. Anyways, so this month's theme, or May's theme, for the Glam Bag X is Khloe Kardashian, and I'm going to really quick let this little promo video play, because honestly it's very scripted, but then I thought it was cute at the same time. I love Khloe Kardashian. I know a lot of people don't like Kardashians, but I love Khloe Kardashian, okay? She's my favorite, besides Kourtney. I relate with her a lot. Anyways, so I'm gonna let her little promo video play really quick, and then we're gonna go over the spoilers, but like, yeah, you'll see what I mean by it sounds very scripted.
I absolutely love every single one of these products, and I'm so excited for you guys to get your hands on it. You guys are going to just love it. Hi you guys, it's Khloe, and you guys, this is it. I am so excited I finally get to unveil my first collaboration with Ipsy. My Glam Bag X is a few of my most favorite things, my ride or dies. Now you guys know how important glam is in my life, and I have taken little bits, tricks, tips, all of that from my fabulous glam team, and I'm gonna put a few of my favorite things in my glam bag. When you grow up with a mom and sisters as glam as mine, makeup and skincare is essentially a part of your DNA. I would spend hours upon hours watching Kourt and Kim do their own makeup. Over the years, I've created my own glam style, but I still have taken some of their tips and tricks, and I apply it in my everyday life. Makeup is the ultimate self-expression. I love that I could have a snatched eye, I can have a red lip, and I could essentially play a different character each and every day. My Ipsy collection has all of my must-haves. These items live out on my bathroom countertop because I'm literally reaching for them each and every single day. Now, something about my mom is she taught us all about skincare, and it's still a major priority for me today. I've included some of my skincare staples for you to try, and I just know you guys are gonna love them. All of the colors in my collection are so major. I wanted to make sure that every color in my collection goes with each and every skin tone. I know they're gonna look fabulous on all of you. The full collection ships this May, so get on the list, because trust me, you guys will not want to miss this.
Okay, so now that you've seen the promo, the May Glam Bag X will be curated by Khloe Kardashian. The hottest launches, the biggest names, and Glam Bag X exclusives. It's all yours with May's limited edition drop. Choose 3 of your products during Ultra Personalization on May 2nd through May 3rd, and Khloe will custom pick 5 more products for you to discover. Your bag may include number 1, the product that I want the bag for. Now listen, you guys know I'm always like, where's the makeup, all the skincare, blah, 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 you know, because like, the people that have been getting subscription boxes and get multiple ones for the past like 2 years, it's been basically skincare heavy like the whole time and hardly any makeup. That's why I say that. But I want this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Magic Cream, okay? I want that. I want that so bad. It's very, very expensive on its own. But if I paid $55 for this box and I got all the extra stuff, I would be very pleased. Like, that would be a bargain, okay? That would be a deal. And I want Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, okay? please give that bag to me, okay? Please, because that's what I want it for. And it also may include the Herbivore Botanicals Prism AHA plus BHA Exfoliating Glow Facial. I don't really care about that. I want the Charlotte Tilbury, okay? So that's what I want. Anyways, next up is from Rodial. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a very popular brand. We see it a lot in subscription boxes, especially like Allure and stuff. It's the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm, and I've been hearing people say, oh my god, that's what I want out of everything, and I'm just like, but Charlotte Tilbury's magic cream. But everybody's about this Pink Diamond. I don't know anything about it, but apparently everybody wants it. And then the 3 Skin, not 4 Skin, the 3 Skin, or 111 Skin, I forget always, the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I want Rose Gold Radiance Booster. Somebody also said that this was like fake. The 111 Skin, like they like take out ingredients so it's cheaper when they put it in subscription boxes versus if you buy it from the website. I don't know if that's true, but I was seeing people say that. But any kind of 111 Skin products that I've gotten from subscription boxes, I've absolutely loved. Like this one has been like my go-to every night. The Y3M Day Cream in ACY2. Oh my god, I love this stuff so much. So that's a really good product. Anyways, more possible May spoilers. These are products that like you saw in the promo and just what these people are apparently saying are more spoilers. So we have the Capari CBD Recovery Balm. I heard that a lot of people really want that. The Oplex No. 0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment. I assume that is to strengthen your hair, and I've done a lot of damage to this hair, and I heard Oplex is really good. I would like to try that. You guys know, if you've been on my channel for a long time, I don't care about hair care products, but I'll try this, okay? I will try this. Next up, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Eyeshadow Palette. I have owned this in the past. I did declutter it and sell it on my Poshmark because I have the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette, and the color stories to me are fairly similar, so I was just like, I don't need both because I really don't pick those tones much, and I prefer Huda Beauty's over that one, so I don't have it. Would I like to have that in my collection again? I would, actually. I would. But yeah, anyways, we got the Route the Party Peel Golden Illuminizing Peel. I don't really know what that is, but the bottle looks really fancy. It's up there next to the $5.29 little circle. Then we have Complex Cultures Rose Quartz Gusha. I don't know what that means. But yeah, I think that might be a lip balm. No, I think it's, I don't know what it is, okay? Let me know if you guys know what that is. Next up, MAC Cosmetics Lipstick, which is what I was pretty sure Khloe was holding in the promo video. And then here we see that's what it is. And I love me a MAC lipstick, okay? No, they're not cruelty free, but they have great lipsticks, so I really want another one. I love all the MAC lipsticks that I own. I only own a few, but I love them all so much. And then we have some sort of product from Patrick Starr. It's the One Size by Patrick Starr. It might be like some kind of body powder or something, because that's what the container looks like. Again, if you guys know, let me know. I'm in no way, shape, or form at all familiar with Patrick Starr's brand. I don't watch his videos. I don't really know anything about his brand, so if you guys know what this product is, let me know below. And then we also have the Visionary Eyeshadow Palette, and I don't know who that is by, but it kind of looks like a Nomad palette, but I'm not sure. But it's really pretty, but I think I'd probably just want the ABH palette over that one. I feel like it's probably going to be a choice, or it's going to be like, this is the product we're picking for you, you know what I mean? So that is everything from Ipsy's Glam Bag X for May. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you get the last one? Did you not get the last one? Were you disappointed? Are you excited about May's? Are you getting May's? They literally don't tell you until you like get charged for it, and then you're like, yippee, or doo-doo balls, you know what I mean? But I hope I get it. I really do, just because I want Charlotte Tilbury's magic cream, okay? That's all I want. Well, and the MAC lipstick, and you know, whatever. But yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I think I said that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.